What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today is a beautiful day out here and we just finished washing the Mustang, but we got something else planned for the video. So as you can see, the Mustang is all cleaned up. I used 2-bucket method and she is looking all pretty. The black wheels, the red. I feel like every time I wash this car, I fall in love with this car all over again. And man, does she look really good. It was actually pretty sunny, so all the paint was reflecting, but now it has gotten a little bit cloudy. And she is looking beautiful. But today's video is not about the Mustang. We are going to take care of the G37. It's been neglected a little bit, so we're going to wash the car. It's actually really dirty, so we're going to bring the car here. We're going to wash the car and do something that I've been wanting to do with the car. So let's get to it. As a car enthusiast, I am pretty disappointed on how this car looks. I mean, look at that. This car looks absolutely filthy. I feel like the last time I washed this car was 4 or 5 months ago. You can see how dirty it is. Oh my God, this is gonna take a while to wash this car, but what we're really concerned with is the headlights. I mean, look at this, the back here with all the pollen. Oh man, this is really, really nasty. So we're definitely gonna fix that today. We're gonna wash the car and we're gonna address the headlights because headlights really make this car very dated. It's all yellowy. So I've got the perfect product today. We're gonna be using Cerakote. I don't know how to pronounce it, but we're gonna be using this headlight cleaner to clean off the headlights on this G37. It's been 16 years since this car and the headlights are definitely faded. It's one of the common things that goes wrong on this car. Pretty much any old car really, but these cars are definitely prone to that. So we're gonna attempt to fix these with the Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit. Right, and I'm really excited for the results we're gonna get. All right, so we still got the soap left from the Mustang wash. That should be enough to clear this up. And then once the car is washed out, we're gonna attempt the headlights. And hopefully the result is very exciting and we're gonna actually clean the headlights off. I think it's really gonna transform how the car looks. Every time I wash the car looks brand new or pretty new. But the headlights just give it away that it's not taken care of. So today we're gonna solve it. All right, let's go. She is all soaped up now. Time to rinse her off and then we go for the headlights. Washing 2 cars in one day, this and the Mustang, it is definitely tiring. It's definitely exhausting. I'm kind of getting out of breath. I don't even know if I can get to the headlights, but we're gonna try our best to finish the headlights today too, because what sucks is like this car gets dirty and then I kind of put it away, and then every time I want to restore the headlights, I'm thinking about I gotta wash the car first, and without fail I'm like, I'd rather wash the Mustang first than the G37. But today I was like, you know what, we're gonna take care of both cars. We're gonna get the Mustang cleaned up and this car cleaned up as well. So here we are. Honestly, the car wash has completely transformed this car. Look at that, sun is also coming out, but she looks pretty clean. Of course, the headlights, they've gotten a little bit better. I haven't used the kit yet, but after a wash, they always look a little bit brand new. It's definitely gonna need the headlight restoration, but the car just looks so good. Look at that. Black on any car really is really good. I might tint the windows on this car and get some chrome deletes, especially on the side here. I think that would really look nice with the black on black combination. Even this wheel looks so clean. That one is a problematic wheel that we're gonna have to do something about. But this one, after a clean wash, it looks really good. Now let's dry up the car and we're gonna use some spray wax as well to get this shine to hold, hopefully for a few weeks, because this car definitely gets less love than the Mustang. So spray wax is definitely gonna hopefully seal the paint a little bit and keep this a little bit more clean while I wash the Mustang more than this car. All right, so let's go ahead and dry this car up. Then we're gonna try out this Cerakote Headlight Restoration Kit, and I mean, based on the videos I've seen, it should be a pretty dramatic difference and should make them look new. Maybe like this, but without car being washed. When the car is washed, honestly, even if I could get it to look like this when it's dried up, right now the car is washed, so that's why it's all clean. But if I could make it look like this, I would be pretty happy, because you saw how yellow they were when the car wasn't washed, and that is not a good look. I love driving this car, but with hazy headlights, that's not the move. All right, guys, the car is finally cleaned up. This is the final result with the spray on wax and just hand washing the car. Really clean, really excited with the results. Of course, now we got to take out the headlights, but I am very exhausted washing 2 cars, hand washing 2 cars. So, whew, I think we're going to have to try out the headlight restoration tomorrow morning while the car is still clean, because I don't want to do it right now. I'm just too exhausted. I don't want to mess with the instructions or anything, even though it should be pretty simple. She deserves some good treatment, so we're going to give it to her tomorrow morning. We're going to get the headlight restoration kit out and buff these headlights out to hopefully make them not brand new, but relatively new. All right, it is the next day, and we are going to go ahead and look at the headlights and restore the headlights with the Cerakote. All right, so this is everything that comes with the kit. You've got step 1 for one for each headlight, step 1 for wipes basically, and you got step 2 to actually buff it, and then this is gonna be the final layer to restore it. I mean, I'm hoping whatever the result's gonna be is definitely gonna be better than that. So let's go ahead and get started with the process. So I'm gonna do one headlight at a time. So I just rinsed this. The car was washed yesterday, so I just rinsed it up, and we're gonna attempt it on this headlight first, and we're gonna go to the passenger side. I'm on my last wipe on this headlight, so this is the 4th one. I can already see some improvement. I'll show you guys compared to the other headlight. All right, so the step 1 is almost done. I'm on my 4th wipe for this headlight on the driver's side, and I can already see some improvement. There's still yellowiness, but the step 2 and step 3 promise to remove that. So I think it's going to be a good result. As you can see, I've got all 4 wipes, and you see how much it has taken out. If you look at this headlight, and then this one, you can clearly see a difference. So I think the final result is going to be good. Now we're going to wash these headlights real quick, and then we're going to start with the step 2, which is going to be sanding. That's actually going to remove all the cloudiness, and then we're going to do step 3 for the ceramic clear coating. All right, wash the headlights. Gotta dry it up real quick now. So we just done the step 2, and it's looking a lot better. As you can see, compared to this, which is what we've been working on, and this is the passenger side, very yellow. But the step 3 is where it's really gonna come to life. So I'm gonna dry out the headlights, and we're gonna go to step 3 and hopefully make them look a lot better. So this is the result of the first headlight we did, and I have to say I'm pretty amazed. Of course, it's not gonna look brand new. It's still got slight haziness, which I'm hoping is gonna get a little bit better. But it looks a lot better than what it was. I mean, let me show you. This is what it used to look like, completely yellowed out, very nasty, ugly looking headlights. And now it's a lot better. It kind of matches it. I always found it funny because you got the chrome grill over here that would just be yellow, but now it kind of matches it. So now we're gonna go to the second headlight and get the final results in. It was it's definitely an exhausting day, but it was well worth it because the headlights, they look really good. Check it out for yourself. You can see the results here. Both headlights are done. This one looks a lot cleaner than the driver's side, but they're still both look really good. Here you go. Here's the close-up view. We're gonna clean up the car a little bit because I've got some residue from the sanding that I did. So I'm gonna clean this up, but I think I'm beyond impressed in terms of what the car looks like versus what it used to look like. Now time for some other mods, maybe black out the front grille or do a chrome delete on the side here, which will also kind of improve the appearance on this car. But yeah, I think I'm beyond impressed with how the kit worked. I mean, if you look at it from a distance, the results are outstanding. It looks really good. That is my tripod that I was using, step ladder. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, I got finally bringing my G37 back to life, and it's gonna be really exciting. Let's plan some mods on this car, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video.